Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn and Chill English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. Today, we're going to talk about something very useful, the weather and the seasons.
Yes, how do you describe the weather? How do you talk about what the weather is like today, yesterday, or tomorrow?
That's exactly what we'll practice today. Simple and natural English phrases to talk about weather, seasons, and your daily activities.
If you want to practice every day with us, don't forget to subscribe and join our friendly community.
Let's start with a basic question. What's the weather like today?
You can answer like this. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining. It's snowing. It's windy.
Or you can add, it's hot. It's cold. It's humid. It's foggy. It's stormy.
Nice. Let's practice together. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining. It's cold. It's windy.
Perfect. You can also say usually, sometimes, or never. For example, it's usually sunny in the morning. It's sometimes cloudy in the afternoon. It never snows in summer. Let's repeat that together. It's usually sunny. It's sometimes cloudy. It never snows in summer. Now, let's talk about seasons. There are 4 main seasons: spring, summer, autumn or fall, and winter. In spring, it's usually warm and sometimes rainy. Flowers bloom and people enjoy being outside. In summer, it's hot and sunny. People often go to the beach, swim, play sports, or have picnics.
In autumn, it's cooler. Leaves change color and fall from the trees. People enjoy walks in the park or taking photos of nature.
In winter, it's cold and sometimes snowy. People wear warm clothes like coats, scarves, gloves, and boots. Some enjoy skiing or building snowmen.
Let's practice saying the seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Great! We can also combine seasons with weather. In summer, it's usually hot. In winter, it's often cold and snowy. In spring, it's sometimes rainy. In autumn, it's often windy.
Now, let's make mini conversations. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
And what's your favorite season?
I like winter because I enjoy snow and drinking hot chocolate. What about you, Alex?
I like spring because I love flowers and fresh air. It's perfect for walking or reading outside.
You can ask your friends, what's the weather like today? What's your favorite season?
Let's practice phrases for weather-related actions. I wear a coat when it's cold. I carry an umbrella when it's raining. I wear sunglasses when it's sunny. I check the weather forecast every morning. I plan my activities depending on the weather.
At school or work, I read the weather report. I ask my classmates about the temperature. I decide what to wear.
Let's repeat slowly. I wear a coat. I carry an umbrella. I wear sunglasses. I check the weather forecast. I plan my activities depending on the weather.
Now let's add time words. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, this morning, this afternoon, tonight, last week, next week.
Example, it was raining yesterday. It's sunny today. It will be cloudy tomorrow. This morning, it was foggy. Tonight, it will be windy. Last week, it snowed. Next week, it might be hot.
Let's repeat together. It was raining yesterday. It's sunny today. It will be cloudy tomorrow. This morning it was foggy. Tonight it will be windy. Last week it snowed. Next week it might be hot. Now, let's talk about feelings and weather. I feel happy when it's sunny. I feel cozy when it's cold. I feel relaxed when it's raining. I feel energetic when it's windy.
Let's repeat. I feel happy when it's sunny. I feel cozy when it's cold. I feel relaxed when it's raining. I feel energetic when it's windy.
We can also describe longer scenarios. Yesterday morning it was foggy and cold. so I stayed inside and drank tea. In the afternoon, it became sunny, so I went for a walk.
Or, last weekend it rained, but on Sunday it was sunny. I visited my friends and we played soccer.
Combining days and weather makes your English more natural. Let's practice. Yesterday, it rained. Today, it's sunny. Tomorrow, it will be cloudy. Last week, it snowed. Next week, it might be hot.
Now, let's add some clothing vocabulary related to weather. I wear a jacket when it's cool. I wear shorts when it's hot. I wear boots when it's rainy. I wear a scarf and gloves when it's very cold.
Repeat slowly. I wear a jacket when it's cool. I wear shorts when it's hot. I wear boots when it's rainy. I wear a scarf and gloves when it's very cold. Now, a full week story. Monday was rainy. Tuesday was cloudy. Wednesday was sunny. Thursday was windy. Friday was hot. Saturday will be cold. Sunday will be snowy.
You can add your feelings. I felt tired on Monday because it rained. I felt happy on Wednesday because it was sunny. I felt relaxed on Thursday because it was windy.
This is a great way to practice longer sentences naturally.
Finally, let's summarize today's lesson. We practiced weather phrases: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, humid, foggy, stormy.
Time words: today, yesterday, tomorrow, this morning, tonight, last week, next week.
Seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Mini conversations about weather and favorite seasons.
Actions and clothing related to weather.
Feelings connected to weather.
Longer sentences and week stories combining days and weather.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what's the weather like today? Where you live? What's your favorite season and why?
Remember, practicing small sentences every day improves your English.
Thanks for practicing with us. You're doing amazing, one phrase at a time.
See you in the next episode.